Hi guys, welcome to Forking Around Mombasa. It is my first episode and I'm in Diani. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. I'm on the seafront of Kaskazi Beach Hotel and joining me today is their head chef, Chef Daddah. Hi Chef.
Hello.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's a lot different from what Kampala looks like.
Yes.
So what have you caught here? Tell me.
I've got red snapper.
Yes.
This is red snapper.
The red snapper. Yes. So is this something that is a popular dish here for your clients? Tell me, how do you actually cook a red snapper?
Normally we do a lot of pan frying.
Okay.
We do a lot of poaching.
Yes.
We do a lot of papiating.
Yes.
For those who don't like oily.
Yes.
So just cook it by itself.
Yeah.
We just fillet it, remove the skin, and then we segment it, and then we put it in a foil, and then put it in the oven.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay. So do you have anything at the hotel that's special for guests? Seafood night? You know, tell me a bit about what the hotel has for their guests.
The hotel will have different types of themes. One of them being seafood night.
Oh.
We normally have different types of seafoods that we display them, and sometimes you can just decide on what you want to eat.
Right.
You choose and they prepared for you.
You can choose?
Yes.
Well, that's an amazing thing. I can waltz into Kaskazi and decide, you know what, tonight I feel like whatever it is, this fish, and you'll have it ready.
Yes.
Well, that's a beautiful perk. Okay. So I'm guessing you source everything from your shores right here?
Yes, we do.
Yeah?
We do a lot of this big fish.
Yes.
Calamaris.
Oh, I love calamari.
We do a lot of crabs. All of them, we source them from the ocean.
All from
just
here.
next to us.
Yes. So do you have a team that does all the fishing for you, or you partner? How does it work?
Yes, we do have a team.
Yeah.
There's a special team that normally deals with fishing.
Yeah.
So those are the ones who bring us the fish.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I mean, guys, you should see the size of this guy. Can I pick him up?
Yes, you can.
I don't know why I've assumed it's a he.
Make sure it doesn't fall in the ocean.
Oh, of course. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Poor fishy. Yes. But you know what? Chef, I'm ready to go up and just see what the restaurant has, what they're cooking up in there tonight for dinner. Hopefully it's not this guy. But
no, it's not this guy. There's more other guys that you can share with.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Here it is. This is a seafood platter.
Oh wow.
Comprised of lobster, calamari, shrimps, and red snapper slices. All grilled.
Oh wow.
Very healthy food.
Yes, very healthy. I know that grilled food is the healthy way.
Yes.
Okay, I'm guessing this is not a meal for one person.
No. This is for about 6 people.
Okay. Well, have a seat, have a seat. You do this every seafood night?
Yes, we do this every seafood night.
Which is how often in a week or a month?
Twice a week.
Okay.
That is Tuesday and Friday.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, so you've grilled all this. I want to try what we caught earlier. This is so delicious.
You feel it, eh?
Yeah. This might be my absolute fave. Okay, before I continue to pig out on camera, thank you so much for having me here at Kaskazi Beach Hotel, Chef Daddah. And anybody else that's coming here, the key nights to definitely be here, if you're not already staying at the hotel, is Tuesdays and Fridays when their seafood nights are on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, this has been Forking Around Mombasa. See you guys.